Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and intricate MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which is the most abundant biomolecule on Earth? A. Mineral salt. B. Protein. C. Lipids. And D. Carbohydrate. So the correct option is D. Carbohydrate. The next MCQ is in which of the following an anticolon occurs? A. tRNA, B. mRNA, C. rRNA, and D. DNA. So the correct option is A. tRNA. The next MCQ is which of the following is a phospholipid? A. Sterol, B. Cholesterol, C. Lecithin, and D. Steroids. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the branch of biology which deals with the study of chemical compounds and the chemical processes in the living organism is called A. Chemistry, B. Biochemistry, C. Molecular biology, and D. Both A and B. So the correct option is B. Biochemistry. The next MCQ is which one is an organic compound? A. CO2, B. Water, C. Lipids, and D. HCl. So the correct option is C. Lipids. The next MCQ is which chemical component has the same percentage in bacterial as well as the mammalian cell? A. Water, B. Carbohydrate, C. Protein, D. Lipids. So the correct option is A. Water. The next MCQ is which chemical component has the greatest contribution in the total mammalian cell weight? A. Protein, B. Carbohydrate, C. Lipids, D. Water. So the correct option is D. Water. The next MCQ is reaction in which simple substance are combined to form complex substance are called A. Metabolic reaction, B. Catabolic reaction, C. Anabolic reaction, and D. None of these. So the correct option is C. Anabolic reaction. The next MCQ is which one is the basic element of organic compound? A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Sulfur, and D. Carbon. So the correct option is D. Carbon. The next MCQ is the total common number of nitrogenous bases between DNA and RNA is 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. So the correct option is C, 3. The next MCQ is carbon atom is A. Monovalent, B. Divalent, C. Trivalent, and D. Tetravalent. So the correct option is D. Tetravalent. The next MCQ is which bond provides stability to complex carbohydrate molecule? A. Carbon hydrogen, B. Carbon oxygen, C. Carbon carbon, and D. Carbon nitrogen. So the correct option is C. Carbon carbon. The next MCQ is a polymer that is formed by glycosidic linkage of many monosaccharide unit is called A. Monosaccharides, B. Polymer, C. Polysaccharides, and D. Disaccharides. So the correct option is C. Polysaccharides. The next MCQ is fat and oils are the most familiar example of A. Protein, B. Carbohydrate, C. Lipids, and D. Amino acid. So the correct option is C. Lipids. The next MCQ is nucleic acid are also referred to as A. Polypeptide, B. Polysaccharide, C. Polynucleotide, and D. Peptones. So the correct option is C. Polynucleotide. The next MCQ is which one of these is an example of pentose? A. Glucose, B. Galactose, C. Fructose, and D. Ribose. So the correct option is D. Ribose. The next MCQ is cellulose is a polymer of A. Alpha glucose, B. Beta glucose, C. Primary protein, and D. Secondary protein. So the correct option is B. Beta glucose. The next MCQ is the general mechanism is that an enzyme acts by A. Reducing the activation energy, B. Increasing activation energy, C. Decreasing pH level value, and D. Increasing the pH value. So the correct option is A. Reducing the activation energy. The next MCQ is the coenzyme is A, often a metal, B, always a protein, C, often a vitamin, and D, always an inorganic compound. So the correct option is C, often a vitamin. The next MCQ is an enzyme that join the end of two strands of nucleic acid is A, polymers, B, ligase, C, synthetase, and D, helicase. So the correct option is B, ligase. The next MCQ is blocking of enzyme action by blocking its active site is called as A, allosteric inhibition, B, feedback inhibition, C, competitive inhibition, and D, non-competitive inhibition. So the correct option is C, competitive inhibition. The next MCQ is enzyme catalyzing rearrangement of atomic grouping without altering molecular weight or number of atom is A, ligase, B, isomerase, C, oxidoreductase, and D, hydrolase. So the correct option is B, isomerase. The next MCQ is enzyme are made up of A, fats, B, protein, C, nucleic acid, and D, vitamins. So the correct option is B, proteins. The next MCQ is the statement about enzyme is true. A, enzyme accelerate reaction by lowering the activation energy. B, enzyme are proteins whose three-dimensional form is key to their function. C, enzyme do not alter the overall change in free energy for a reaction. And D, all of these. So the correct option is D, all of these. The next MCQ is in the human body, optimum temperature for an enzyme activation is A, 37 degrees C, B, 25, C, 20, and D, 15. So the correct option is A, 37. The next MCQ is which of the following is the non-protein component of the enzyme? A, cofactor, B, activator, C, coenzyme, and D, all of these. So the correct option is D, all of these. The next MCQ is in uncatalyzed reaction involved A, high activation energy, B, low activation energy, C, balanced activation energy, and D, all of these. So the correct option is A, high activation energy. The next MCQ is which among them is not attribute of enzymes? A, specific in nature, B, protein in chemistry, C, consume in nature, and D, increase rate of reaction. So the correct option is C, consume and reaction. The next MCQ is which among them is a cofactor? A, inorganic ion, B, organic molecule, and D, C, both A and B, and D, none of these. So the correct option is C, both A and B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDK MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.